What up? Yo, what up, Dell? Oh, baby. What's going on? Good day to make some money. Oh, right off the VWAP. I'm gonna have a tight stop though. Super fucking tight. It's got to hold here, otherwise they're gonna sell it all the way back down. I don't trust it. Every time I fucking go to set this up, I lose. So let me just wait until I actually set this up. Yo, what up, Sean? I'm trying. I got a brand new account that I'm being a little letting it ride. I'm letting this account ride more than I normally would. And I tested something with it earlier and I took a loss. So I'm trying to get it back. Yo, what up, Alyssa? Yo, Sean, you see that guy complaining about my short video? Yo. Dude, that guy commented and he was all like annoyed. Dude, the short video of her sucking peanut butter. Yeah, he was. Oh. It's like, dude, chill out. Like, fucking just chill out, dude. Yo, she did, bro. Yo. Yo, you got to come with it. You know, if you're going to do it, you got to go all in. You know, you can't just be like, oh, that was neato. Yo. Hey, man, if you commit, you commit. Yo, what up, Alex? My day's going pretty good. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I hit the opening range trade on these accounts. As you can see, all the same. I copy traded 3 accounts and I hit the opening range. And then I just kind of been trading. Oh, I'm in a text group. Everyone's going out tonight for my birthday. And now we got drinks before also. Locked in my daily prop. Woo! Done for the day? Bro, I'm so stressed. Let's hear why you're stressed. Tell me you're like $3 away from a payout and you just can't, it just doesn't go up. I got to hear the Yeah. Up 300 on that. Ah! Yo, Dell, just take it nice and easy. Nice and easy, and you'll get there. It's everybody that tries to do it all in one day that gets smoked. What up, Messi? I've reached 10K in profit in my 50K Take Power Trader Pro. Awesome. They told me I need to go Pro Plus. That's great news, which I didn't do. Instead, I requested all 8,000. Oh, it's going to take like a day to get that money, Alex. Well, I'm just curious. Why don't you want to go Pro Plus? What's the reasoning of not going Pro Plus? Yo, price action. So you got to remember, a ton of options expire today. So you're going to get a lot of exaggerated moves. You're either going to get you're going to get a couple things. Either it's going to be a complete chop fest all day long until the end, or you're going to get some real big moves in between. Yeah, just in general, I take it slow. Most people are like, "Oh, I need to hit the 50% in one day." It's like, dude, you don't have to. Just like chill the fuck out, you know? So you could still take the money out with Pro Plus. I'm just trying to scout back some of these. There you go, $95. Dude, you called that 10. I switched off my freaking screen, obviously. I want to look at the daily. Where the why is this not calculating right? Dude, there's like a massive gap. Oh. Wait. Dude, that was messed up. I didn't know extended trading hours wasn't on. Oh, what? Just now? How we swept above just now and we just retraced? The 1024. What is HTF? It's higher time frame candles. So what happens is it's showing me a box around what represents the hourly candle. And what we do sometimes is once you play a sweep, when it comes back in the previous candle, you play it to the opening of the candle. Ah, dude, that's what fucked me up. Oh, dude. So you know that the Qs and they're just a derivative of. It's the same. It's basically the same thing, but yeah. So we had a sweep, and then once you see kind of like a break back in, which would have been 750, it typically goes back to the open. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yo, what up, Cam? What up? What up? Oh no, I got freaking there's some Captain America video. I'm looking for. Oh, you know what I wanted to look at? Look at that. Dude, Sean comments on that guy. Hey, Karen, let's see your P&L. Oh, jeez. Bro, that's hysterical. Yo, what up, Garen? What up, Ray? We're making so much money. Yo, I want you guys to make money. That's the goal. That's the goal of the channel. The channel is not for you to just follow me, but it's take ideas and kind of just make it your own and make money, you know? I got a lot of ideas. There's a lot of stats out there, and then you kind of fit it to what you like trading. And that's how it goes. The chop is real. Oh, yeah. Dude, somebody said to do this. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So now you got to be subscribed to the channel. I don't get why everybody does that. Yeah, I have zero filter and give 0 Fs. Dude, that guy, though, I mean, he deserved it. Listen, when you start commenting on videos, you put yourself out there. Somebody just replies. Let's see what happens. Filters out the goobers. Dude, I saw the craziest thing today. I saw somebody take, might have been 30 trades and didn't put any on the screen until after that was all done. What up, trader? The worst is if you're trading CT and people are like, it's going to go up, and you say it's going to go down, and they're like, no, they get all crazy. It's like, dude, my order does not affect the market at all. I don't know what you want. Imagine this whole thing goes green. What would green be? 131 points. This would put us green on the day. 850, 870. Dude, that'd be wild. Dude, the liquidity in futures market is so massive that nobody is moving this thing. I could buy it with every dollar I got, and it probably won't flinch. Oh, man. Anybody do anything good this weekend? What are you guys doing? Dude, I got a babysitter 2 nights in a row. That's money. That's awesome. I got my wife's parents babysitting 2 nights in a row. ES is sitting at the daily pivot. Chop sit. Hey, yeah. Hey, man. I'll have that whiskey now. Dude, whiskey will get this thing going. I'm so glad I just hit it in the morning real quick for a couple bucks because it was moving around. Now it's like, I do say if I had to choose a bias, I would choose that we're going to go back up. You know, if somebody was like, hey, you got to pick right now. Yo, you could sell at the bottom and buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Dude, drink a whiskey. White Claw. Bro, White Claw messes my stomach up. Yeah, what do you think they're going to pin it at? Like 19,800? Usually it's somewhere around some type of round number if it gets there. Yo, everybody and their mother is long. Look at this. Everybody's long. Long, pretty heavy. 19,900. Dude, that would put us green on the day. The daily would actually look pretty good. I was looking for a gift before. Boom, boom. Dude, I don't. Yo, I'm just going to be honest with you. I can't taste the difference between expensive whiskey and not expensive whiskey. Like, my cousin bought me a expensive bottle. I think it was like a $500 bottle. And this is a true story. I didn't drink it with him because he sent it to me. I opened it up. I drank it. And I called him up. And I was like, bro, I think that the bottle, I said, I don't want to be, but I think the bottle you sent me went bad. He's like, it doesn't go bad. I was like, dude, it tastes like burnt tire. He's like, oh, that's a smoky oak barrel or whatever. I was like, bro. I was like, oh my God. I was like, he's like, it's an acquired taste. I straight up told him I'm not acquiring that taste. Dude, this shit was like smoky. Like, it tasted like burnt tire. The brand started with an L. Maybe it was Scotch or whiskey. Yeah. Dude, it was so bad. Yo, I'm telling you, I got this whiskey right here. Dude, I got whiskey in my office somewhere that's amazing. I actually don't even know where I did with it. It used to be right in my office on the floor back here. Dude, smoky whiskey? A taste of Brazilian land squid knuckle? Is that like moose knuckle, but it's squid knuckle? Dude, this is the more this chops, the more this chat is just gonna go sideways. Yo, we have Tennessee Rob up in here. He drinks. I'm waiting for freaking Take Profit Trader to dump my money in. Only because you brought up White Claw. Out of all those White Claw type drinks, High Noons are the best to me. That, or my wife gets this thing called Two Chicks, which obviously we all know what's better than one is two. It tastes so good on like ice. Alaskan Malamute. Yeah, High Noons, dude. There's nothing better than swimming in the pool, drinking some High Noons, man, on like a hot day. Or if you're at the beach, you just know, like, It's not going to get too crazy. They're like refreshing. I don't feel too gross. This is looking, if this comes back through this orb, I'm going to take this to the downside. Yes, because they can't sell noons in certain stores can't sell them. Dude, you lived in Korea? That's pretty cool. When you're in Korea, do you say like, I'm going to go out and find some American food to eat? Like, how does that work? I always wondered how other cultures work. Like how we are like, yo, I'm going to go find some Korean food. Are they like, hey, I'm going to run out and get some American food somewhere? And there's just like an American dude making burgers? Well, you can look right here. I mean, I would say that's probably, give or take a couple points. Yeah, I do Korean, what is that, bibimbap and Korean barbecue. The hot pots are my favorite. I think that's Korean, right? Bibimbap, hot pots. I wouldn't short above this line. Dude, Asian food's really good. If I had to choose my favorite food, though, I'm probably going to go with Mexican food, like if I'm going to eat it every day. But I probably love barbecue food, but you can't eat barbecue food every day. Like Southern food, I would say Southern food in general, I can't eat every day. Like, biscuits and gravy. And like, I used to go down and visit my girlfriend's parents down south, and we would just eat Southern food for like a week. And I was like, these people eat like this every day. I was like, I can't do this. This is crazy. Yeah, I eat spicy. Yo, Korean ribs are amazing. If you ever had Korean ribs, look at that bounce. Ripped it right off the trend. I want to see it just come back a couple more here and then break. A couple more break up or down, but it'd be cool to get like a so this is what you get on options expiration. That's an options expiration candle. Watch it come all the way back down. I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. Let's see if it comes all the way back down. If it was just like an algo candle. Come on, blow through. I'll take that. $65, but watch. Yo, my funded futures? Nah, they're gonna pay you out. They'll pay you out, man. Got it. Yo, I've seen that stuff, Sean, where you can buy like a cow and they basically ship it all to you, like frozen, I guess. If you want the best meats ever, yo, I'm going to send you this site, but it's fucking expensive. I've had meats from this place probably 3 different times. I am Luke. I am definitely bull. I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't short below this line. Below this line, I would stay bullish, 100%. This is the line. Yeah, Butcher Box is out there too. Dude, they're just pushing this thing. Holy shnikes. I need a pullback. Pull back to 34. I'm taking it long. Damn, they just. What's your buddy's beef company? Which one? Holy Grail or Butcher Box? Cove, we did it. Yo, I said, what is it? 870. I want to see it flip green on the day. That'd make me feel so much better if we flip green. Dude, I got a ton of fucking options that expire today. Do I dare roll to? Come on back down. Oh, you put the wet. All right, I'll take a look, Sean. Let me look. Let me see what we got going on here. Oh. littlecattlecalf.co. Damn, bro. You go to this site, that cow's just looking at me, being like, please, please, not me. It's fucked up. Trump speaking at, right now, I think, actually. You are correct. Yo, what up, Corey? Dude. I'll even give you the clap, Corey. So, dude, that's sweet. Yo, you know what's nice about that is there's no activation fee that you go straight to funded. You know what I'm saying? 0 activation fee, straight to funded. Yo, Luke. Oh. Dude, I'm wondering if this whole thing turns green on the day. Yo, what I don't understand is, so today's quad witching, correct? Like we all agree today's quad witching, right? Like everybody knows, like literally today's quad witching. Like it's on fucking, it's right there. Like TradeStation has it, right? You guys get it? Yo, I don't understand why other streamers are calling it triple witching. I don't understand. Like, do they not know? Like, dude, I was on a stream with over 1,000 people listening to, I don't know. I don't know. It's what it's always been called, quad witching. It's like every quarter. Your boy Flip is kind of on a big red day. Oh, geez. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it was something on CNBC. I don't watch CNBC. I've been doing this for I've been trading options forever. It's always been, yeah, March, was it June, September? Was it quarterly? I got all the dates. I look it up. Yo, what up, cats? Oh, man. What's going on, Alyssa? Yeah, March, June, September, December. Yeah. That's when all the freaking contracts, big ass amount of contracts. I was reading it was like some ridiculous number actually on this quarter. Yeah, we do every Friday we do. $4.7 trillion, yeah. Ah, there we go. There you go. Evolved back. I guess us that have been around longer still call it quad witching just due to the fact that I've been doing it that long. I'm showing my age. Oh, I know there's a huge runoff though, like you said, 4.7 trillion. Oh, I think this thing's just going to trend up. Yo, Oh. I mean, if you could just hold, I guess if it comes back down in this maybe little fake out here and then drop it. Little fake out candle, come down to 747 and then take it up. I just Ray, you're done and just come back at 349. Come on, man. Come on. I'm getting rid of this. So right there is the hourly imbalance. I guess if you clear the top of this candle, you'd probably get a scalp to the upside. Something like this. Dude, I'm itching to hit the button. What up, piano? What up? What up? Resisting the urge to hit the button. I'm just looking. It does look like you want to tag, like it wants to come up and tag the top. Dude, this could have been so bad. This could have been a bear flag and just complete washout. Honestly. If we go back and close down here, it's a bear flag break to the downside. That would have been real bad on the daily. I'll scalp this. Let's see. I'll scalp it. My stop is right here. Let's see if I get like $100. $100. Probably not. Oh. See, this is what you get. Learn from my mistakes. All because I'm fucking just sitting in this chop. Oh, baby. Is that what I think it is? No. We got a sweep. Oh, it already came back, though. It already came back. The opening of come back down. Come back further. Come down. Come down. Come down. Yeah, so you swept right here. And basically it would come back in the candle and the open is at 793. Come on, test this line. I'm in on that. I'm in on the trend test. Come on. I need a little bit more. Give me a little bit more. Come on. All right, 95 bucks. 95 bucks real quick, boys. I don't trust shit today, but that was set up perfectly. That was a gimme. Who goes back to the well again? I caught the bounce quick, cats. I'm debating on. I just took it long. I'm just, I think I made like 70 bucks. You got the, dude, this better be the VWAP. Is that not the VWAP? No. You got VWAP 200. So that's why I took it for a quickie. That's not good. That's not good at all. So I don't ever play the first breaks, by the way. I want to see it come back, retest, and then dump. So like if we get a retest back up to this trend where the 9 is of like 50, 53, I might short it. Break. Dude, DCA. Got to call the team out. Dude, I got Mexican food waiting in the fridge for me for lunch. Oh my God. I got a buffalo burrito, half and half of a shrimp burrito. I might take this, right? I would want a little bit more. Fuck it. Bro, I got a shrimp burrito with like guac, rice, beans, and I got a buffalo one. The buffalo one, when it's hot, dude. I love Mexican food, man. All day, every day. All right. I might take this right here. Oh, it's $100, guys. Just gotta remember, we're in some chop. So like, are you gonna hold for a big move? I don't really know. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna hold for a big move. You know, I just taking it as I see it, but If the 200 wasn't right here, I would say all day short. I have a shit eval. I have a real shit eval that I just took it in. Don't follow that though. Like, it's got no drawdown left. I'm just telling you I did it just because I'm transparent, but there's like $500 of drawdown left. And I went short. Out. I got rebuild in Fideas, so that's what it is. I don't want Fideas accounts, but I got rebuild, so I got them. So that's why I always tell people you don't take the first break. The first break, and then see how we retest it right there, guys. This is perfect setup, actually. So we got the trend line. We break it. A lot of people get short on the first break, right? And then it pops back up. People end up selling. And then what do? You come back to resistance, and then you get the real move. I was like textbook. I mean, honestly, probably target like, what was that? The top of the 15-minute orb. Next take profit would be, down here. But it's just a chop fest today. So I don't really trust anything. It's got a lot of options expiring. I would just take your gains when you got it. There's no reason to push it. You get $100 in a trade real quick. 2 trades, you could be done. Yo, what up, George? Yeah, ranges are super tight. You'd rather leave on Friday up $100 than be like, oh, I held for the big one and I'm down. Like, it's Friday. You want to have a good weekend? Take any green and walk, and just say, hey, I'm done with that account. Counts up. I'm done. Like, I probably am not trading any of these accounts that are over $100. They're over $100, and I would be sick if I went from green to red. Trying, Lord. We just caught this short. Just caught it. Look at that. Basically right off the 15-minute orb. That's why you should have this shit on your chart. It's there for a reason, boys. Boys and girls. That was a nice pop. Yo, what up, Josh? Josh, I love you on Twitter. Look, it just rides the 9. When you're trending, just, hey, look, here's the 9. Super. Dude, that's not you? Hold on one second. Bro, am I following somebody that isn't you, but I thought it was you? Hold on one second. Dude, this is amazing. Is it a duplicate? Oh, bro. It's somebody completely different. Oh my God. You know what happened? Bro, it's this guy. I'll just show you. I thought that was you. And yo, you know what happened was he followed me one day on Twitter and I thought it was you. And I was like, oh, Josh just followed me on Twitter. Cool. So I followed you back and I thought it was you. Oh, man. That's so funny, man. That's so. Yo, Luke. Yo, that's the problem. That's the biggest problem with like the internet is like, dude, there's like fake accounts. There's all types of shit. This comes back through. I would love to take this short. You got 700 right below, though. Oh, man. Yeah, it's definitely a good place to wait and see. 1,000%. I'm not really interested in the long here. We're below, we're below the 200. We're below the 21 on the 5. That's not a bullish short-term thing for me. I'm just going to do not follow this. This is going to be a risky as I even put my stop lower than it normally is. This is risky. Come on, baby. Just break it. Shorten the hell out of this rod. Do not come. Do not come. Come on, baby. I mean, it's a bear flag. The problem is you're right above support. I'm taking this right now. I got $60. Trying, Marco. Trying. Oh, baby. If you stayed in, you might get paid out if this dumps below. My stop was right here, but I don't like shorting right above the 15-minute orb. Hello, you have live accounts on Apex. I have funded accounts on Apex. I don't know anybody that has a live account on Apex, to be honest with you. But welcome to the stream, man. What up, Luca? Does anybody know anybody that has a live account with Apex? Anybody? I'm trying to think who I know. Live is dumb. Want the props to pay me out of their pocket. You know what the problem with live is? You don't have the ability sometimes. They get rid of your other accounts and you got one account. If you're live, you should just trade your own money because it saves you on taxes as well. Yeah, no one I know is live on Apex. I know people that are live on other platforms, but Apex, no. Yeah. Once you go live, you can never. Yeah, I don't know anyone that's gone live though. Like I've never even seen it out there for Apex, not other companies, but just Apex. You know, people go live on Top Step, My Funded Futures, Tradeify. I just never seen I just never seen it on what do you call it? Dude, this thing just ripped. I'm scrolling up. My accountant likes when I trade futures only rather than stock. One page. Yeah, yo, stock options trades gets crazy, Josh. Crazy, crazy. I'm trying to plunder their gold stores and run. Dude, I saw somebody that said, oh, what'd they say? It was like futures put some kid through college. That kid was my broker's kid or something like that. I laughed so hard. I was like, that's hysterical. Oh man. You pull all right, hold on. What up, Bob? What up? What up, Quan? Your pulse module looks different than mine. The numbers. Yo, what up, Bull Breakers? The numbers, what platform are you on, Alcy? Are you on Apex? Are you on Take Profit Trader? Where are you at? This might just be Apex. I thought it was all of Tradeovate. I thought it was all Tradeovate, but maybe not. What up, Prelon? Wow, this thing's just taking off. A little dip here. I thought it was all a Tradeovate. What indicators are you showing that 10 minutes ago was either red or green time increments with buys and sells? Hold on, Josh. What indicators? This? Is this what you're talking about, Josh? You have so many accounts. Do you trade them all every day? I try to. I copy traded. Look, you can see I copy traded these 3 accounts today. It's Lux Algo. Oh my god. I used to know it on the top of my head. Hold on. Adaptive Trend Flow. It's Quant Algo. Adaptive Trend Flow. I got a whole back test on it, Josh. If you want to see it, it's a crazy back test on if you follow the rules, it's profitable. I usually have that on another screen so I could see yeah, the Nasdaq 30 seconds. I leave it on. I leave it on 30 seconds because you're not looking at a 30-second candle. You're actually looking at the trend. Yeah. It's pretty good. I have a whole back testing video on it. To get 10 points, it was like, I don't know, I want to say high 70s, low 80s percent win. I think Trump was talking earlier. There was chatter about him talking earlier. See, I hate this. We didn't continue over, and now we're just in like a little zone where it's like, I'm not going to short this, and I'm not going to long it underneath the 200. Like, we're just in a weird spot right here. You know, it's going up now. We'll see. We shall see. It's just in a weird spot. If anything, like, kind of got like a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Yeah, Josh, it's free. Super, yeah, all free. It's here. Tight going indicators. It's right here. Adaptive Trend Flow by Quant Algo. Yeah, I didn't realize how many people trade at work. There's a lot of people trading at work. What up, Sam? Yeah, Fridays are hit or miss, Luke. You sometimes get some good Fridays. I just think with all options expirations today, like it's going to be a little bit of a chop fest. Dude, everybody's trading at work. Dude, I want to say over the last couple of days, I heard at least 12 people trade at work in here. Yeah, right. What up, Victor? Up. We'll see. Listen, I would love the market to go up. I would love it to go up. It's just, If I go and just look at a bunch of stuff. Actually, you're right off the pivot point. You got the 3-bar reversal on the 5 right here. A close over 738 is the bullish confirmation. That's what will do it. 738 close. Yeah, you're right at the pivot point. That's true, Luke. It's so funny that like people will give you like a 3% raise while inflation's like 7%. And it was like, well, I don't understand. Yeah, Victor, I'm with you on that. We start getting going, you'll probably see the high a day. Probably see a massive move up. Just remember, Greg, just don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. I'm trying to move this shit around. I'm just dicking around. So what did I say? 738? I think 738. It's just dying, slow dying. Yeah. No, it's true. It's true. If you learn how to trade. What's funny though is people will laugh because I take like $140 payout from Take Profit Trader and they're like, oh, that's not that big. It's like, bro, if you had to work for $140, how many hours would you have to work for? People don't realize like a $200 day is nice. Especially if you start spreading it out among multiple accounts. If you did $150 in 5 accounts. Oh, dude, Trump's on a rampage. I'll read you it. I'll read it for everybody. Yo, what up, Bartolo? President Trump's unrelenting pursuit of American manufacturing dominance is bringing trillions back to the U.S. Wow. There's a lot of companies moving back to the U.S. They kind of have to with the tariffs. Whoa, you passed it, Bartolo? Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, I'll even smash some confetti for you. Let's smash some confetti for you. There you go. Give you some confetti. Nice, man. That's the first one you ever passed? 250? Yeah, Luke. Yo, people are clueless. You know what it is? It's just a digital number on the screen, so they don't actually see it in their hand. And that's why and I think also the Twitter furus that are photoshopping gains and shit make out that the norm is making, $15,000 a day or some shit like that. Dude, Dell's getting wild. What up, Coach Fred? Yo, 250s are brutal to pass. That's why I don't do those accounts, Bartolo, because you'll be up 7,000-8,000 and then you'll end up blowing the account. Yeah, top 1%. A lot of people invest. Yeah. Dividends. What's up, Nao? Well, now you just got to take it to a payout. Take it to a payout. If this comes back up right here, I am shorting it. Let's see what happens. It's either gonna reject at the 9 or it's gonna reject at up here. I prefer it rejecting at the 9. Missed that move, taking the dog out. Come on, get me in. Just setting my orders up. Dude. I wanted to do that at some point in my life, but not handle people's futures accounts, but like stock and options accounts. It was on my list of careers was financial advisor. Dude, they all suck. They all suck. I know one guy by me that owns a wealth management company who is legit. And me and him just, he's legit. But yeah, I knew financial advisors, man. They suck. Suck. Yo, I just YOLO it on CPI. Be like, yo, those are the breaks, man. You mean that wasn't an eval? That wasn't eval money? Holy shit. They're going to wick me out and then dump it. Just watch. I'm going to get wicked out and then it's going to dump. Yo, I'll hook you up with some evals tomorrow. That's what I tell people. My bad. Yo, my opening range candle trade didn't work. My bad. Jimmy needs to apply for loans for school now. Dude, that's wild. This is options expiration for you. Are you shitting me? Tell me that didn't just happen. Dude, that's why I don't look at the pulse. Ever. Ever. I don't care what those guys. Oh my God. Is this going to happen? I'm going to bug out. Yeah, there's probably a fade the pulse play where everyone's basically short. Like when you start seeing like 30% shorts and you just go against them. Dude, they're 30% short right now. I don't want to fade it though. I like the short. I think we could travel all the way down to 608. You know, but you got to have a real break. Fuck it. That's what I would say when I'm managing their accounts. I'd be like, fuck it. We're in. We're in, boys. Yeah, I don't know how you would have to do it live. It only works live. I mean, you got to think most of these people lose money, right? So, dude, look how many people are short on the freaking Dow. All right, I'm taking that because I just lost. $340. Yeah, so I lost $110 on that. But at least I got some of it back. Go long the Dow right now. Pile in. Pile in. Yeah, the moves are definitely short today. Definitely short moves. You know? I mean, I think you could definitely scalp. I think you can make money. But you know, like this was a great move, but they just bought it back. Yo, what's the Dow look like that everybody is short? What is it? YM? Dude, 73% people are short this right now. Dude, imagine just taking this right. Do I dare do this? I don't even know how many contracts you get. Midday scout from the hotel room. Nice. Yo, where are you, Emil? Nah, Fred, where are you? Where are you on vacation? Wait, hold on one second. Why did they decline your payout? I've never heard of a payout getting declined. What'd they say? Dude, I've never heard of Take Profit Trader declining anybody. Now I'm interested. Yeah, but so how'd you know you were declined? What'd you get? How'd you trade to make it, by the way? It was just in one day, right? Trump is talking right now, David. Yeah, Corey. That's why it feels so they offered you to go pro plus though. I thought first of all, I thought they offered you to go pro plus, which is a good thing. Dude, I don't know what's going on, but Trump just dumped that thing. Yo, Trump just spit on that thing. Dude, he's one word from this thing just going down 50 points. I had to do it. Dude, he's on there talking about some shit. Yo, Alex, I'm sure you're gonna get paid. It seems weird. U.S. is moving 2 aircraft carrier fleets to the Middle East. Oh, jeez. Oh, baby. Why? Who are we fighting in the Middle East that they need 2 aircraft carriers? I don't get it. Iran? Oh, jeez. Oh. Yo, Ray. Yeah. I got to catch up over the weekend. That's wild. There's a coup popping off in China? What? I didn't know that, Brad. I'm just going to take quick money. I didn't know that. I got to look into it. Chad's long as shit. It looks good. I wonder if they reject it right here at the VWAP. The VWAP rejection. I have this feeling we're going to go green on the day. Just, it feels like we're going to go green on the day. What up, Kaba? Anybody have a problem with reaching Take Profit Trader chat? I have not tried, to be honest with you. I have not tried. I've never had a payout decline from them, to be honest, as well. Dude, that's crazy, Brad. Pulse faders unite. You could probably get a good move off the pulse faders. Dude, that's crazy. What up, Lenny? Dude, you're trading in the streets of Paris? Yeah, I would just... Yeah, well, you have big options expiration today, and then you got Trump talking right now. So you really never know what's going to be said. I do like the long. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to buy it off this candle, but if we consolidate here for a little bit, we work this off a little bit, I would probably like the long back and target maybe 772. Wait, people are not reading the pulse right. I don't even know how to read it. If it's green, I think it means 5% like I think it's 5% of the people are more long than the rest. So if it's at 20%, it's 20%. You know, this isn't like 5% of the entire people. It's just 5% more are long. He just said tariff. Oh, baby. I'll go short on him just saying tariff, hoping that he follows up with more. When I trade at 250, I'm trading probably two to three minis at a time. Bro, this guy. Yeah, it's leaning short, leaning long. All right, it's 12 o'clock. I'm going to be back in 2 hours at 2 o'clock Eastern time. We'll do account giveaway. Hopefully the chop stops. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code CoveTrader. If you have questions, come back and ask. I could show you live and help you out. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that. Go get something good to eat. Peace.